Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Mariner Finance app, a financial tool designed to help users manage personal loans, make payments, and track account details. If you're considering using this app, here's everything you need to know about its features, functionality, and overall user experience. The Mariner Finance app allows users to view their loan details, check payment schedules, and make payments directly through the platform. It provides an easy-to-use interface where users can manage their accounts, access statements, and monitor their loan balances in real time. One of its key features is the ability to set up automatic payments, helping users avoid missed due dates and late fees. The app also offers reminders and alerts, ensuring users stay updated on their financial commitments. Security is a crucial aspect of any financial app, and Mariner Finance incorporates encryption and multi-factor authentication to protect user data. The app also allows users to update personal information and connect with customer service if they need assistance with their loans. However, some users have reported occasional issues with login errors or delayed updates on account information, which can be frustrating for those relying on real-time access to their loan details. In terms of usability, the app is relatively straightforward, with a clean layout that makes it simple to navigate through different sections. Users can easily find payment options, loan details, and transaction history. However, compared to other financial apps, Mariner Finance has limited features. It primarily focuses on loan management, rather than offering additional financial tools, like budgeting, assistance, or credit score monitoring. While this keeps the app streamlined, it may not be ideal for those looking for a more comprehensive financial management solution. Overall, the Mariner Finance app is useful for customers who have existing loans with the company and need a convenient way to track and make payments. While it lacks advanced financial tools, it serves its purpose well for basic loan management. If you're a Mariner Finance customer, the app can be a helpful addition to keeping your finances organized. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.